yesterday I made this hat and this card holder, and I'm gonna play yarn chicken with a headband with this is how much yarn I have left, and I'm using a 4.5 millimeter hook. Alright, I probably should have called it, but I did not have enough yarn. This is only like half what I would need, so I just crocheted along, and then added this at the end, this little pointy thingy, I don't know, and I also made whatever this is, don't talk about it. Yeah, so yeah, I have this, and this is kind of could be like what it looks like. Oh my gosh, my words are not working right now, but you have to deal with them. Well, anyways, this is what I guess I made, instead of a headband, because that did not work. Well, gotta go.